Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to make collage on iPhone. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open Shortcuts application on iPhone. This application is available on all iPhones. Now tap on gallery icon bottom of your iPhone. Now search here photo grid in the top search bar. Below search bar you will see photo grid option. In photo grid, tap on plus icon and then tap on shortcut bottom of iPhone. Now you can see that photo grid has been added in shortcuts. Tap on it and select photos. For example, here I selected 4 photos. Now tap on add and tap on share icon and save image. Then tap on done. Now go back to your iPhone gallery and you can see that I have made collage of 4 photos in my iPhone. You can make collage of multiple photos. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.